back for another update. Let's take a look at total altcoin market cap here today. And like I said in my last video, it's very likely that we're going to fill in the wick that was formed in May. So you see how May left this huge wick from 956.78 billion down to 845 billion. So it looks like this current monthly candle is filling that wick in. And then when we take a look here at the small time frame, going all the way back to the beginning of April, we had a 5-wave move to the upside, and then you have a 3-wave move down to structural support. So you see how many times we use this level as resistance, right? Resistance, 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 resistance. But when have we used it as support? We came up, tapped it as support, and now we're seeing a move up through the Fibonacci resistance levels. Now you can see over here that in February and March we had this supply zone right over here, and if we just extend this, we can see we use that supply zone as resistance in May. So we dropped by a little bit over 50% from these highs over here in February. We even rejected off of it in March. So in May, we came up to it, double topped, came down to tap this structural support, or the neckline of this inverted head and shoulders pattern. And now we're seeing a push up. Okay, so like I said, all I would want to see here now is just a 4-hour push above 900.92 billion in order to confirm that we're going to get a move up to around 1.02 to 1.04 trillion around over here. Now coming back to this chart over here, we can see that when we take a look at this on the linear scale, take a measurement from the bottom to the top and then copy and paste it, we can see that it's at around 1.8 trillion. And that makes sense because if we take a fib from this all-time high here in 2021 down to this low, okay, where is the 1.618, 1.702, and 1.786 extension? It's right there, right at this technical target right here. So it's likely that we're going to see a push up to this level in 2025, right? And then this would just be a wave 5. So this is your wave 1, your wave 2, your 3rd, 4th, and then you have your 5th wave up here. Like this. Okay. So this is what it would look like when we zoom out on the daily. Right, so you have a 5-wave move up, and we're still within this 5th wave. It's an ascending broadening wedge, and there is definitely a possibility that we wick up to 2 trillion. There is a possibility of that. So yeah, this is what I'm expecting here. So we're currently within wave 5 of 5, and this wave 5 of 5 will likely be extended. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Peace out and take it easy. I'll see you guys in the next one.